senior leadership of Muttahida Qawmi Movement Pakistan, the Central Committee, the members and workers of the organization of MKM Pakistan, the honorable guests, notables from different walks of life from Karachi, and my very dear and beloved members of the diplomatic fraternity, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good morning to you all. I think still it is good morning. Some of you have come exactly on time, and some of you may still have been coming. But I would like to welcome everybody who is here, including my senior deputy convener Nasreen Jalil Baji, who is one of the very important spirit and soul behind today's very important and historical event that Baghe Ibn Qasim is witnessing, a commencement of a tree plantation campaign, a tree plantation drive, which has an inauguration today. We are going to sow hundreds of thousands of saplings and trees and plants today, and this has just begun. And I assure you that there is an opening day for this campaign, but there is no closing day for this campaign, and this drive and campaign will relentlessly continue, because we believe, MKM believe, that the survival of our planet, the only planet where life exists, is into combating this grave threat of climate change. Climate change is a reality now. It is not that we still expect the lion to come. The lion has already come. शेर आ नहीं रहा, बल्कि शेर आ गया है. The threat is looming large on our head. It has shown its presence and manifestation in different parts of the world, including our city of Karachi, which only a few years ago saw very heavy rainfall, and as a result of which there was an urban flooding, something that very new we witnessed. This urban flooding was seen in the GCC countries also, which had very few rains in the past. So the extreme weathers are a very clear proof and indication of the climate change. This climate change has brought, it's a new natural global order. There is a man-made global order also, but this is another global order, a threat which is faced by humanity on earth. And I am glad to welcome and see a reasonable, a substantial presence of the members of the diplomatic committee. I admire your presence here, and we cherish this movement, and this sends a loud and clear message that this is a global challenge. It is a challenge that not one country is facing, a challenge that every one of us is facing. The diplomatic members from the Soviet Russia, Malaysia, UAE, Germany, and Iran. I think I'm very glad to see, and we all are very delighted to see all of you here. So we all will plant one sapling. But every human being is consuming oxygen which comes out from 8 trees. From 8 trees. So each one of us at least should sow 8 saplings, because we consume. And in order to compensate for, there are so many people who still are not reconciling with this reality, this threat. So by the grace of God, we are able to begin a very sustainable and a long-standing tree plantation drive. And I am happy that not only this, there is a lot to come after this. Promotion of alternate energy, the green energy, saving water, and besides Senator Nasreen Jalil, I would like to also admire the 30 years of relentless efforts by my wife, Shahida Kausar Farooq, who is standing here, who has to her credit 500,000 plants, 500,000 trees in 25, 30 years. And the only magazine on environment, sports and health in Pakistan, her NGO Subh No, Era of a New Dawn, she regularly publishes that magazine. And they are also serving the cause. So I just could not miss her efforts because I have to ensure maintenance of peace and law and order in my home also. So all the more this was needed. So not only because of your efforts, but I think the peace at home is also very important. So I just thought I should praise your efforts also. Yeah. So thank you so much for being here. She has come all the way from Islamabad. And I would like to appreciate and laud the efforts of every worker of MQM that has taken this responsibility, that it is not a campaign for a green Karachi. And a mission green is not going to be restricted in Karachi. It is going to go beyond Karachi to Hyderabad, Sakkar, Nawab Shah, Mirpur Khas, the whole of Sindh and the whole of Pakistan also. It's a national tree plantation drive. And we also propose to the Prime Minister of Pakistan, the federal government, the provincial governments, that let's declare this month of the independence of our country. 14th August is our Independence Day. And while we celebrate this month and the forthcoming day of 14th August, we should have something out of the box to propose to our nation of 250 million people. Let's federal government decide a national plantation day or a national plantation week. That if every Pakistani, 250 million Pakistanis, if they saw one sapling and they see that sapling survives the first birthday, second birthday, we also have to water the saplings also, the plants also. It's not only that we just saw them, dig and saw this plant in the soil, but we have to water it also. We have to see it survive the first birthday, second birthday, and then it will become a tree. So I have to say something in Urdu. Amin bhai had asked me कि मीडिया का भी मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ. उन्होंने भी ताउन किया, सुबह से यहाँ मौजूद हैं. आपकी आमद का, आपकी मीडिया हाउसेस का भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. एक कारकुन का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और शाबाश. और जो मेरे MNAs और MPAs हैं जो ऑलरेडी बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं इलाकों में, जिन्होंने पूरी टीम ने, वी जस्ट रिसेंटली डिड a youth convention which was the biggest ever youth convention in Pakistan at Expo Center last Sunday. There were more than 15,000 daughters and sons of Karachi who came with a renewed pledge, a renewed resolve. So we are not only watering the growth of and organizing, uniting and mobilizing our youth to combat this biggest threat of climate change, but economy, price hike, inflation and unemployment, we are trying to address that also. How to economically empower our youth, how to enable them to self-employ themselves. So we are doing that also. So it's zara nam ho to ye matti badi zarkhez hai saathi. So we are watering our youth also, and we are sowing and watering saplings and plants also. So it's a multi-dimensional approach to face the challenges that threat our existence and our survival and our future. So we have to save this only planet जहाँ इंसान बसते हैं, जहाँ ज़िंदगी बसती है, हमें इसे बचाना है, इसे अपनाना है, इसे बनाना है। और शजरकारी से बेहतर और कोई तरीका नहीं है। हम सब एक एक पौधा नहीं, 8-8 पौधे या 10-10 पौधे हम सब लगाएंगे इंशाल्लाह। बड़ी कैंपेन होगी और पाकिस्तान की हिस्ट्री की भी बड़ी कैंपेन होगी। मिलियन और फिर इसके बाद बिलियन ट्रीज़ इंशाल्लाह हम जो है वो लगाएंगे। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि फिर ऑल्टरनेट एनर्जी, सोलर एनर्जी, विंड मिल एनर्जी, उसकी तरफ भी हम जाएंगे। फिर रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग, हमें बारिश के पानी को बचाना है, उसके प्लांट्स भी लगाने हैं। तो हमें रिचार्जिंग ऑफ सब सॉइल वाटर इज ऑन, क्योंकि यहाँ हमने बोरिंग कर करके 300-300, 400-400, 800-800 फीट चले गए। ये मॉइस्चर ख़त्म हो रहा है मिट्टी से। मॉइस्चर ख़त्म होगा तो ये इमारतें बैठने लगेंगी। अगर ये मॉइस्चर ख़त्म हो गया तो हमें ज़ेर ज़मीन पानी को भी रिचार्ज करना है, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग करनी है, उसको भी इस्तेमाल करना है, पानी और बिजली की कंजर्वेशन और उसे भी बचाना है। मैं आखिर में सिर्फ यही कहूँगा कि आप सबका एक मरतबा फिर शुक्रिया अदा करते हुए कि एक शजर ऐसा मोहब्बत का लगाया जाए, एक शजर ऐसा मोहब्बत का लगाया जाए जिसका हमसाये के आंगन में भी साया जाए। This tree is not only meant for my home, it is equally meant for wherever the tree grows its branches and leaves, and wherever it provides the shelter to my neighbors. And this is my service to my community, and we will keep on doing this service for our community. We'll promote the causes of education, causes of health, uh, and the cause of IT also, which is a rapidly growing, which spearheads all progresses in the world. So we are committed towards all this, inshallah, and we'll do it, and we'll do it, inshallah, as a team. One last word, that this Pakistan is like a tree which bears flowers, it has good fragrance, it has got fruits also, it provides shelter also, but no tree can be trustworthy if it does not provide a nest for the birds. So the tree has to have a nest for the birds also, कि जिन दरख्तों पर परिंदों के घर नहीं होते, जिन दरख्तों पर परिंदों के घर नहीं होते, दराज चाहे जितने हों मोतबर नहीं होते। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, MKM पाकिस्तान पाइंदाबाद, ट्री प्लांटेशन कैंपेन पाइंदाबाद। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच।